Hey, welcome back to another White Sponge live game development. So this will be an offline recording as well. Okay, due to technical difficulties connecting to Twitch TV. So by the time you are watching this, it should be up on YouTube. So as usual, my name is David and I will be your host for today. Sit back, relax and enjoy today's session. Okay, so we have released version 0.052 alpha. So now we are adding a new enemy to the meta world, and our new enemy is the laser drone, which is a rather new type of enemy that will move around platforms. Or rather, its movement will be constrained to one side of a platform, but that means that it can also be moving along the ceiling or the bottom of a platform. Okay, so let's create the animations first for it. Okay, so we have a lot of animations here for our other enemies. Okay, but we are going to create let's see idle left. Okay, so let's create our first animation for our new enemy. And call it set 3 enemy 3 underscore idle left. Okay, let's go to our sprites over here and let's get the animation frames that we have created for it. Okay, so for the idling animation, we have 5 frames, but by the time we are finished with the dragging and dropping of it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it will be the 5 frames, okay, back and forth, so around 10 frames in total. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, okay, 1. Okay, and lastly 0, which is the starting frame. Oh. Okay, so if we play the animation now, okay, so we need to move faster, so let's try 90 frames per second. Okay, maybe 95. Okay, so this is the idle left animation, which is the default starting animation. Okay, let's create the animation for the right. Okay, enemy 3 underscore idle right. Okay, and let's make sure that we save it in the right folder. Okay, under the animations folder. Okay, and now we'll do the same thing, but we'll use the frames for right. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and 3, and 2, okay, and 1, okay, and lastly 0. Okay, and we'll put the frames per second as 95 as well. Oh, okay, that's weird. Why is this faster? Okay, if this is 60, oh, okay. 1, 2, 0, 60. Oh, okay. So so for this we have to move it here. Okay, so we just need to adjust the frames and move them closer to each other. Okay, now they are faster. Okay, so okay, we'll just check to make sure that it is about the same animation frame rate as the other enemies. 60. Oh, 150. Okay, so that's why it was so fast, because so for this we can actually use 60 frames per second. Okay, same with this, we can use 60 frames per second since we moved the frames closer to one another on the animation timeline, which means that there's a smaller amount of time delay between each animation frame. Okay. Okay, to start, okay, go to unity3d.com and download the Unity 5 game engine.